Srivali Akoju checks in from Dallas. Oh, well, good to see you. I actually lived in Dallas for 2 years. I lived in the Irving area. So, what part of Dallas are you from? Where am I from? So right now, I am living in Las Vegas. I am living in the greater Las Vegas area. It's a desert community, and I love living in the desert. I've lived in desert communities in different cities for a good part of my adult life. I just like the climate, even though it's very warm, but it's also very dry. But yeah, I'm in Las Vegas. I recently moved here from New York. I was in New York for the last 2 years. Because of work and because of data science, all the great opportunities. I've moved I've moved quite a bit over the last few years. But Srivali, thank you for asking. I am currently in Las Vegas. I do have experience with Dallas. If you want to share a little bit more about where you're from or whatnot, a lot of big companies in Dallas. So I'm assuming you work for one of the tech companies out there, in the Las Colinas area or wherever. So feel free to let us know more about that. Uday Kiran GS is checking in from Chicago. Well, good morning. Good to see you. It's good to see people from the middle of the country. So Chicago is a beautiful city. I've been there a couple times. So thanks for checking in. Srivali, I'm going to come back to your question. All right, let me